नमस्कार आप सभी अतिथियों, डेलीगेट्स तथा वरिष्ठ मेहमानों का इस 34th नेशनल कन्वेंशन ऑन क्वालिटी कॉन्सेप्ट सप्लीमेंट्री में हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज की परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए सर्वप्रथम वंदना करते हैं गणेश जी का। तो प्रस्तुत है गणेश वंदना दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ।
मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलोपित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनाशक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते दिक्कुटा 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 तरि रक्कटा उदगिडा किनदग दो डगदा दो डगदा देईते मूषिक वाहन मोदक कथ चामर कर्ण विलोपित सूत्र मूषिक वाहन मोदक कथ चामर कर्ण विलोपित सूत्र दिक्कुटा 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 तरि रक्कटा उदगिडा किनदग दो डगदा देईते वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते
तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कदिम्मे तक्कजुन्नु तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम 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 तरगिडधुम 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 तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम ता तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तै तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम ता तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तै तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम ता ता तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तै तै तक्कड़दगदरगिडधुम तम तं किट्ट तक्कजन्नु तिं किट्ट तक्कजन्नु तं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तिं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तिं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तिं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तिं किट्ट तक्कजुन्नु तं तक्कजुन्नु तं तक्कजुन्नु तक्कजुन्नु तं तक्कजुन्नु तं तक्कजुन्नु तक्कजुन्नु तं
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
Thank you Team Nasipriya for the wonderful rendition of the song and dance during Ganesh Vandana. चलिए आज के समारोह की शुरुआत हम अपने QCFI थीम सॉन्ग के साथ करते हैं।
It's the quality Quality Circle Forum of India. QCA पे गुणवत्ता के गीत हैं, QCA पे से गूंजेंगे गुणवत्ता के गीत। ये Quality Circle Forum of India. It's the Quality Circle Forum of India. सबकी जिम्मेदारी हो, सबकी भागीदारी हो, चुनौतियों से ना घबराए, ऐसी अब तैयारी हो। जागे जोश और जुनून, ना कोई अब लाचारी हो, एक लक्ष्य हो, एक ध्येय हो, जीत सदा हमारी हो। It's the Quality Circle Forum of India. ये है Quality Circle Forum of India. Quality Circle के द्वारा टीम भावना आती है, हाईवेज की सोच सदा अनुशासन जगाती है। कम लागत से पाई ज्यादा QC सिखलाती है, दोष दूर होंगे कैसे शिक्षक बाई बतलाती है। ये है Quality Circle Forum of India. It's the Quality Circle Forum of India. काइजन से जगेगी आत्मनिर्भरता की आस, गुणवत्ता अभियान सफल हो, आओ भरसक करें प्रयास। बेहतर रखरखाव से दुर्घटना ना आए बस, संस्थाएं होंगी विश्व स्तर की, हम सबको है ये विश्वास। It's the Quality Circle Forum of India. ये है Quality Circle Forum of India. QCA पे गुणवत्ता के गीत हैं, QCA पे से गूंजेंगे गुणवत्ता के गीत। ये है Quality Circle Forum of India. It's the Quality Circle Forum of India.
Now, let's see a small brief on Quality Circle Forum of India and its activities.
Quality Circle Forum of India, a non-profit organization established in 1982 with its headquarters at Hyderabad. It is governed by 21 honorary board of directors. QCFI propagates different quality concepts with the help of continuous growing chapters, sub-chapters and centers situated at various cities across India. QCFI is a member of Coordination Committee of 14 countries in organizing international convention each year in rotation. Scope of operation is very wide, covering almost all the views of industries, service sectors, IT, education, health, rural areas, societies, home, etc. Forum has individual life members and organization memberships. Forum has all publications and different quality concepts to educate the member organization and individual members. Forum shares their experiences and events with the help of bi-monthly QCFI journals, websites, Facebook, Twitter, as well as chapter quarterly journal in regional languages. Forum organizes workshops, trainers training program, lead auditors program on regular basis. It also has different conclaves such as 5S, TQM, automobiles, steel and cement, health and textile, etc., which gives a platform for sharing knowledge and experiences. Since 1991, Forum is helping in training and implementation of 5S workplace management in all the places, which is one of the permanent solution of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. QCFI in association with Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers JUSE, is providing certificate for excellence in implementation of 5S. QCFI is currently the only organization in India which has joint certification program for 5S with JUSE. To enrich knowledge of executives, Forum also organizes study tours to Japan. Forum also organizes annual chapter convention and national convention with commendable growth in participation of organizations, number of case study presentations and delegates. Selected team from the national convention can participate in international convention, which is organized by member countries on rotation every year. India has organized international convention in 1989, 2002 and 2010. The next opportunity to host international convention for India will be in 2021. QCFI has been recognized internationally for the highest participation for more than a decade. Our focus is total quality, which can be achieved by total quality people. To accelerate this, QCFI has formed People Development Cell. It is said that slow and steady wins the race. However, this does not work in today's scenario. Thus, to educate the people, there is an education cell to move in faster way to develop in-house trainers who will train the supervisors, and in turn, the supervisors will train the employees on practical basis for 1 hour per week. To integrate different quality concepts for organizational excellence, an integrated approach is developed. It is called the TQM cell. It is being followed by many organizations. Forum has started the TQM cell for providing training and implementation of TQM and WCM with its experts from the field by hand-holding and giving a pathway. All of you are requested to join hands with QCFI for skill development, for organizational development and make successful Make in India mission.
साथियों, अब मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ श्री DK Srivastava जी, ED QCFI, to come and give a welcome address.
नमस्कार, आप सबका इस सप्लीमेंट्री नेशनल कन्वेंशन में स्वागत है। रिस्पेक्टेड और beloved प्रेसिडेंट श्री S.J. Kaloke जी, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, मेंबर्स ऑफ all the chapters, sub-chapters, centers, or QCFI team, juries, participating organizations, delegates, and dear guests. ये एक स्पेशल अपॉर्चुनिटीज उन लोगों के लिए दी गई जिन्होंने दैविक आपदा के चक्कर में यानी मिस कोविड-19 के कारण केस स्टडीज को भेज नहीं पाए थे. Many of the organizations were not open at that time, but they are very much willing to participate in national convention. Thanks to board of directors, they accepted this for this supplementary national convention. And in this supplementary convention, 66 teams from 31 organizations, they have participated. Their results will be declared at 2 p.m. today, that you can see in your web. One more thing, many of them they requested because in her very जल्दबाजी में उनकी जो केस स्टडी थी, they could not do much better and they requested for upgradation. ये पहली बार है जबकि हमने अपग्रेडेशन के लिए अलाउ किया और 30 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से 57 सर्कल्स ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और हमें खुशी है कि most of the circles they have done very well, and thanks to our juries जिन्होंने उनको लिख करके पूरे कमेंट्स भेजे और रिक्वेस्ट किया कहीं पर क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए तो फोन से भी बात कर ले, और टीम ने बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया एंड उसी का रिजल्ट है कि 100% जो हमारी टीम थी वो अपग्रेड हुई है. कुछ लोगों ने क्विज में अच्छा नहीं किया था, उन्होंने इस क्विज में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया और अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। इन सब लोगों के जो मेमेंटोज हैं, जो सर्टिफिकेट्स है, वो बदल दिए जाएंगे। मेमेंटो में जो स्ट्रिप है वो हम भेज देंगे, वो कहीं चेंज कर सकते हैं, और जो सर्टिफिकेट्स है वो अलग से भेज दिए जाएंगे, अपग्रेडेड वाले। जितने भी सप्लीमेंट्री कन्वेंशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए उनके भी जो सोवेनियर्स हैं वो उनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भेज दिए जाएंगे, और उनके जो मेमेंटो सर्टिफिकेट्स है वो भी साथ में भेज दिए जाएंगे। सो अब तक 1700 प्लस सर्कल्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, लगभग 450 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, और इनमें से जितने भी पार एक्सलेंट है, they are eligible for international convention. As you are aware, this time international convention we are going to organize in HICC Novotel, Hyderabad. 2010 में भी हमने वहीं पर ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, and this time also we are going to organize over there. Many of the teams, those who are eligible to participate in ICQCC 2020 in Bangladesh, but because of this COVID-19 they could not participate, they will get also chance over here to participate in this ICQCC 2021 which we are going to organize in India. हमारी जो डेट्स है 28 सितंबर to 30th September presentation and 1st October industrial meeting. So आप सब लोगों से हमारी एक ही विनम्र निवेदन है कि जल्दी से जल्दी इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन कराएं, क्योंकि ये इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज नहीं है कि हम नंबर ऑफ हॉल्स बढ़ा सकते हैं। यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ हॉल्स फिक्स है और रिस्पांस काफी अच्छा आने की उम्मीद है, तो किसी को भी निराश ना होना पड़े। और इस बार हम लोगों ने जो मॉडल और चार्ट के माध्यम से भी केस रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते थे, 3 घंटे का उनको समय मिलता था, दैट आल्सो वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस। आपको ये जान के खुशी होगी कि जैसा हमने प्रॉमिस किया था, हर 18 डेलीगेट्स के ऊपर एक एग्जीक्यूटिव को ज्यूरी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में हम फ्री पार्टिसिपेशन देंगे। लगभग 500 ऐसे लोग एलिजिबल है जो ज्यूरी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। अब उनमें से काफी सारे लोगों ने ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड करा लिया है। 31 मार्च लास्ट डेट है। इस एनसीक्यूसी सप्लीमेंट्री में भी जिन लोगों ने जितने डेलीगेट से पार्टिसिपेट किया है, यदि वो एलिजिबल होते हैं उनको भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी, दे कैन आल्सो टेक द पार्ट। और ये खाली ज्यूरी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उनको केवल केस हिस्ट्री प्रेजेंटेशन के इवोल्यूशन की बात करा रहे हैं, हम उनको डेवलप करना चाहते हैं जिससे कि अपने यहाँ पर उनके यहाँ जो कॉन्सेप्ट में इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है, whether they have followed the right procedure or not, they should be capable to select the best case studies. They can guide the team members for their abnormalities. They can assess the gap, and that's why in our 20 modules, each module is for 90 minutes to 120 minutes. Some are more than that also. We have tried to cover different quality concepts, different problem solving tools and technique, and how to apply in each and every step. In each module, we have taken the test also, so that we can make the merit list of the juries, and based on our requirement, we can call them. We have also put 3 more models for the higher mathematics, so that those who are in Six Sigma, they want to learn about DOE, New 7 tools, etc. They can also learn over there. But that is optional. Those who are interested, they can apply, and within 15 days, they can complete that 3 modules also. That is also free for those who have attended 20 modules. So in future, we hope that we are going to get very good juries, so that it's not only evaluation, we can learn from them also. They can guide to their organization also, as well as those who are not in the organization, but they are in our chapter, they can guide and help to the team to make the case studies much better. So best of luck to everyone, and let us meet in International Convention on 20th September in HICC, Novotel, Hyderabad. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. There's a saying that opportunity knocks only once, but we are very grateful, sir, that now I request our President Shri S.J. Kalokeji to come forward and give his blessings.
Friends, welcome to Supplementary National Convention on Quality Concepts, NCQC S 2020. As you know that this is the first time in the history of QCFI, we had to conduct the National Convention online because of the pandemic. The entire world suffered because of that, and we couldn't gather physically our members and organize this National Convention 2020. But then we have decided to conduct it online. After successful organizing this NCQC 2020 online, many organizations requested us that because of the corona problem, because of this pandemic issue, uh, they couldn't participate, or some organizations, some teams participated but not with full preparation. So they said that can we get one more opportunity. And as you all know that during 2021 we will be conducting international convention in India, and NCQC is the entry gate for the international convention, and they all requested that then they will miss the opportunity to participate in the international convention, which is this opportunity comes once in 14 years. So they requested us that can you conduct one more supplementary national convention, and then we discussed this in the board, and QCFI always takes decisions which are beneficial to our member organizations. So the board also agreed for this request, and we are conducting this supplementary national convention NCQCS 2020. And fortunately we got good response. 66 teams have participated from 31 organizations, and many of them are participating as a repeater because they have understood how to improve their case study presentation. They have improved that and again presented it, and you all will get these marks for or the result of this supplementary NCQC today afternoon. I again really appreciate the hard work done by our executive director, Mr. D.K. Srivastav, and all his team members. I know how much hard work they had done to make the success of NCQC 2020 online, which we were doing it first time. So for us also, it was a new experience, but all the team members of headquarters have really worked hard round the clock and made it a success. And this convention also, they made it a good success. So thank you very much for participating. Many times the people say, no, we are busy and now the things have opened up, and we had to catch up with whatever backlog we had created because of this pandemic. But there is a saying that no one is really busy. It's a matter of the priorities. And I really thank all of you that you are giving priority to the improvement activity, improving the work along with doing the work also. So I really appreciate uh, you all people that in spite of your busy schedule, you you find the time to participate in this national convention. And I always say that the national convention is always a good opportunity to learn from our colleagues, from our other team members, that how they had done improvement in their own work area, and we can learn from that, and similar improvement we can do it at our workplace also. As our executive director, he's has also taken one more project of giving training to our juries, our judges, so that there will not be a variance in the uh, evaluation of the case studies at the uh, organization level, at the chapter level, at the national level, and also at the international level. So we have developed 20 modules for this juries training program, and many juries all over India are participating it to brush up their knowledge, to upgrade their knowledge of evaluating the case study. So again, I thank Mr. Srivastoji and his team member for starting this very good initiative of uh, training the juries who participate in the chapter convention, national convention, and even the organization's internal convention also. So I wish you all best, and I'm looking forward to meet all of you in person at Hyderabad in the international convention. I wish you all the best for your result. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, I request Dr. P.R. Bangreji, a very senior faculty, QCFI, to come and render vote of thanks.
Greetings to Quality Fraternity. Here again, we met on the virtual platform for NCQC Supplementary 2020. As you will all appreciate, QCFI has organized NCQC Supplementary specifically to the QC concepts teams which could not participate in the regular NCQC 2020 due to COVID pandemic and any other reasons. Also for those teams which wanted to improve their case studies. QCFI expressed its warm appreciation for the teams which have participated and presented case studies successfully in virtual mode as are the guidelines given to them. Kudos to all the teams. Results will be put on the website at 2 p.m. today. We are thankful to the organizations deputing the teams to the supplementary convention. Meticulous planning has been done by QCFI headquarters staff under the dynamic leadership of the Executive Director, Shri D.K. Srivastoji, which went well without any hiccups. We are also thankful to our President, Shri S.J. Kalokiji, for his guidance from time to time. Our best wishes to all the teams who exhibit their enthusiasm in joining for the prestigious International Convention ICQCC 2021 to be held in the Pearl City of Hyderabad. Stay safe and be healthy. Once again, thanks to all.
Dear friends, the results of the teams will be available on QCFI website today from 2 p.m. onwards. You can log in and get your results. Hope to see you all again in person at Hyderabad in September for International Convention on Quality Control Circles 2021. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaste.